Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Hi, friends. We are very happy you are here today.
Today's topic is talk about your school life.
Yes, we will learn simple English sentences about school, teachers, homework, friends, and daily routines.
This lesson is for beginners, so don't worry. Speak slowly and practice with us.
And if you enjoy this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends.
Okay, let's start learning English together.
Listen carefully, repeat after us, and enjoy the conversation.
Great. First, let's talk about a simple question.
What school do you go to?
Listen again. What school do you go to?
You can answer, I go to Green Valley School.
Or, I go to a public school.
Very good. Now repeat after me. I go to school every day.
Nice job. That is a very useful sentence.
Ronald, did you like school when you were a child?
Yes, I did. I liked English class and art class.
That's great. My favorite subject was history.
Oh, really? History was difficult for me.
That's okay. Everyone likes different subjects.
Now, listeners, let's learn an important word, subject.
A subject means a class in school. For example, math, English, science, and music are subjects.
Listen again. My favorite subject is English.
Now you try.
Good job.
Let's continue.
Another common question is, what time does school start?
You can answer, school starts at 8 o'clock.
Or, my school starts at 7:30.
Very easy and useful.
Stephanie, what time did your school start?
My school started at 8 in the morning.
Did you wake up early?
Yes, very early. I was always sleepy.
That sounds familiar.
Listeners, here is a new phrase, wake up early.
Example, I wake up early for school.
Listen again. I wake up early for school.
Excellent.
Now, let's talk about school uniforms.
Good topic.
Did you wear a school uniform?
Yes, I did. I wore a white shirt and black pants.
My uniform was blue and white.
Listeners, repeat this sentence. I wear a school uniform.
One more time. I wear a school uniform.
Perfect.
Now, let's talk about school bags.
Okay, mine was very heavy.
Mine too. I carried many books every day.
Here is a useful sentence. My school bag is heavy.
And another one. I carry books and notebooks.
Very nice.
Now let's practice a short dialogue.
Great idea.
Hi, Ronald. What is in your school bag?
I have books, pencils, and lunch.
Do you have homework today?
Yes, I do. I have math homework.
Good conversation.
Now, listeners, repeat the dialogue after us.
This is a great way to improve your English speaking.
Yes, repetition helps a lot.
Now let's talk about teachers.
Okay, teachers are very important.
Who was your favorite teacher?
My English teacher was my favorite teacher.
Why?
Because she was kind and patient.
That's wonderful.
Listeners, here is a useful sentence. My teacher is very kind.
And another one. My teacher helps me learn.
Good job, everyone.
Now let's talk about school friends.
School friends make school fun.
Yes, I talked with my friends during lunch break.
I played games with my friends after class.
Listeners, repeat. I have many friends at school.
And my friends are funny and helpful.
Very nice pronunciation.
Now let's learn the phrase lunch break.
Lunch break is the time when students eat lunch and relax.
Example, I talk with my friends during lunch break.
Listen again. I talk with my friends during lunch break.
Excellent work.
Now let's discuss homework.
Ah, yes, homework.
Did you do your homework every day?
Mostly yes, but sometimes I was lazy.
That's honest.
Listeners, repeat. I do my homework after school.
And homework helps me learn.
Very good.
Now let's practice another short conversation.
Okay.
Hey, Ronald, do you have homework today?
Yes, I do. I have English homework.
Is it difficult?
No, it is easy.
That's great.
Now, listeners, you can practice this conversation with a friend.
Or practice alone. That's okay too.
Practice every day and you will improve.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about exams.
Many students feel nervous before exams.
Did you feel nervous?
Yes, especially during math exams.
Same here. Listeners, repeat this sentence. I study hard for exams.
And I feel nervous before exams.
Very natural English. Now let's talk about the school library.
I loved the library. It was quiet and peaceful.
I liked reading comic books there.
Nice.
Listeners, repeat. I read books in the library.
And the library is quiet.
Excellent pronunciation.
Now let's talk about school lunch.
What did you usually eat at school?
Sometimes rice and vegetables, sometimes sandwiches.
My quick lunch was bread and bananas.
That sounds simple.
Listeners, repeat. I eat lunch at school.
And my lunch is simple.
Good job.
Now let's practice listening again.
Listen carefully.
I wake up early for school.
My favorite subject is English.
I do my homework after school.
My teacher is kind.
I talk with my friends during lunch break.
Great. Did you understand the sentences?
If yes, amazing work.
If not, don't worry. Listen again and practice slowly.
Learning English takes time.
But you are improving already.
Yes, every small step is important.
Now let's talk about after-school activities.
Did you join any clubs?
Yes, I joined the art club.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I joined the music club.
Listeners, repeat. I joined a school club.
And I like after-school activities.
Very good.
Now let's do one final conversation together.
Okay?
Hi, Ronald. How was school today?
It was good. I learned new English words.
Did you talk with your friends?
Yes, I did.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it after dinner.
Excellent.
Listeners, now it's your turn.
Try answering these questions. What is your favorite subject?
What time does your school start?
Who is your favorite teacher?
What do you eat for lunch?
Speak slowly and clearly.
Practice every day.
And remember, mistakes are okay.
Mistakes help you learn.
Before we finish, let's review today's key phrases.
I go to school every day.
My favorite subject is English.
I wake up early for school.
I do my homework after school.
My teacher is kind.
I talk with my friends during lunch break.
Amazing work today, everyone.
We are very proud of you.
Thank you for practicing English with us.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep learning.
And now we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite subject at school?
And what time do you wake up in the morning?
We would love to read your answers.
See you in the next lesson.
Take care and keep practicing English every day.
Bye, everyone.